How to update Binance application. Are guys facing issues to update the Binance app to the latest version? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update the Binance application on the latest version, first of all, go to your mobile Play Store. As soon as you enter the Play Store, now just simply click on the search bar and search for Binance app. After you search for Binance, click on this Binance app option. Once you click on this Binance application, if the update button is available instead of open, just simply tap on update. If the update button doesn't show up, then it means your app is up to date to the latest version. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna update Binance application on your mobile device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Binance application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.